All the cars have their own air purification system for the cabin. In order to do that, they have a very complicated filter installed inside the car. Today in this video, I am going to show you how you can very easily change that filter. This process is kind of a generic one which you can follow to change the cabin filter of any makes and models of the car. So let's go. Welcome to my channel, guys. I usually upload different travel videos and different lifestyle videos. Today I am going to change the cabin filter of my car. This car is a Toyota Venza 2016 model. In order to do this, we need the cabin filter which I bought from Toyota. After buying this, they will charge you around $70 to install this. We will try to do it by ourselves. Let's see we can do it or not. So in order to do this, we have to go to the passenger side of the vehicle and we have to open the glove box. This is the glove box of my car. I am going to open this glove box. So in order to do that, first you need to open the glove box, release this. It's a pump that is used to, make the glove box to open smoothly. In order to release this, we need a specific tool which is a regular pliers. It's a very squeezy area. We need to just hold on these two sides and push this. Okay, now if you pull it a little bit, it will come off and it releases the glove box. Now to open this glove box, we just need to press both sides of it. Okay, by pressing the both side, this glove box will come off. So it is a good idea to clean this glove box before you start doing anything so that nothing will fall down. This is the new filter, and before opening the old one, we just need to take a look. It says this is up. So now you can see there is a black cover which covers the cabin filter. Now we are going to squeeze both sides of the cover and open the plastic cover out. And you see this is the upside. Dirty. This is so dirty. Now we are going to replace it with the new one. The same way we have to push it in. And put the cap back. There are two tabs on the both sides. Just make sure it goes into the proper hole. Alright, you will hear the clicks. And that's all, guys. Now we have to put this thing back, and the final job is you have to put the lever in it. Now we installed the cabin filter of this Toyota Venza. Now we will try it and let's see how it works. Yeah, it works perfectly. Air is coming out. I believe I am not a mechanic, and if I can do it, you also can do it. I hope this help you in your do it yourself task. If you already subscribed to this channel, thank you very much. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please click the subscribe button and also click the bell icon to get notified when I upload my next video. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.